So there's just one single thing that's of critical importance before you buy any dash cam, and that's its number plate readability. And talking about that, there's just one camera which I would recommend, which I would blindly recommend for you to go ahead with. Basically forget every other dash cam and just go get this. I'm talking about the VIOFO A229 Ultra, the dual or the triple channel variant. And why am I recommending it so strongly? Well, take a look. So here's a Maruti Omni about a distance of like 20 to 30 feet away, directly under the glare of headlights. And when you zoom in, you get a crystal clear number plate read with absolutely no noise, no disturbance, no haziness, no blurriness. What more can I say? This is the perfect number plate readability during night time, backed with the power of the StarVisto sensor. But StarVisto not only gives you this, it also gives you crystal clear name board or signboard reads. Now I can see the Big Bazaar logo, basically it's written in Kannada language, but you can see that it is clearly illuminated, clearly visible in spite of the powerful lights that it's illuminated with. Now a camera without StarVisto, this would have been a complete blue and a white colored whitewashed look, but because of the 4K resolution and StarVisto sensor, clear cut imagery of the name boards, and that can sometimes count as a very critical evidence. Moving on to the next sample. Now you might say this is a front camera sample, but it's not. This is a rear camera sample which also shoots a native 4K resolution backed with a StarVisto IMX678. And zooming in to take a look at the number plate read of the two-wheeler, you cannot get anything better than this. This is the ultimate number plate readability from the rear camera of the A229 Ultra. Just show me any other rear camera that can match this. I probably don't think there is any. Such a small number plate size, but still the camera is able to capture each and every letter with hardly any blurring, absolutely no noise, and basically the contrast and sharpness levels in this image are pretty much natural and super amazing. Talking about the overall video quality, I mean, what can I say about this? This is simply perfect. There is no other dash cam that can beat the VIOFO A229 Ultra. Probably the only other camera that can level up to this is the VIOFO A329s, which basically gets the same native 4K resolution backed with a StarVisto sensor. But this camera quality during night time, I mean backed with a HDR specifically, gives out those punchy colors, gives out that high contrasty look, and a very well balanced exposure for all the areas that are directly illuminated by either street lights or headlights. I mean, you can even notice that the opposing headlights don't have that high glare or high blobby effect, and the image processing and the video processing within the VIOFO camera is working flawlessly well. Taking a look at the daytime quality, just take a look at the sky. I mean, just look at the color of the sky, the clouds and the shades within the clouds. Have you seen any other dashcam bring out such detail? I mean, this would have been a completely whitewashed sky in most other dash cameras, but the A229 Ultra is able to compensate really well for the high glare and high brightness in the sky and still give you a good image of the road, balancing both of them. This is simply perfect. There is no flaw within this video quality, and you should definitely be considering the VIOFO A229 Ultra as your next dash camera purchase. And if you thought, okay, alright, this is the front camera, but what about the rear? Just take a look. Probably the only rear camera in the world that can give you this level of super bright, super contrasty and punchy saturation. I mean, this is basically HDR footage, native 4K backed with StarVisto, giving you the best possible video quality. I mean, this is basically a vlog level or YouTube level quality, which you can use even for your vlog purposes. I mean, in terms of getting the finest video camera quality from any dashcam out there in the world, the A229 Ultra should be your blind choice. Moving on to show you what it looks like during night time from the rear. You can see that similar effect what we saw previously. Super small highlighted headlights, not those high glare and high blob effect which you usually see in most of the cameras. The exposures are well balanced, the contrast is well balanced. No noise, no disturbance, no image artifacts. Basically the finest video quality from any rear camera out there. This is definitely the best rear camera you can ever get in any dashcam, and the VIOFO A229 Ultra having a exactly similar bitrate and file size, or should I say just a slight difference between the bitrate and the file size with the front camera. offers you the top-notch quality which you really deserve for your car and for your safety. But this was the front and the rear camera. What about the triple channel variant wherein you get a cabin camera? Is it capable enough of standing up to these two cameras? Just take a look. So this is the ultra wide 210-degree field of view interior cabin camera backed with a Starvisto IMX662 sensor, giving you a full HD resolution. And again, I'm gonna imply that there is no other cabin camera in the world right now that can match to the level of the fisheye cabin camera provided within the A229 Ultra and the A329S. Simply flawless, covers the entire surrounding of the car, including the cabin, the driver's side window, the passenger side window. Perfection. If there was any product, the VIOFO A229 Ultra is simply the name for it. So what do you think now? Well, I really think this is the perfect dash camera for the one thing that really matters in any dash cam, the number plate readability. The A229 Ultra simply excels from both its front camera and the rear camera in both daytime, in nighttime, under the glare of headlights, at the farthest of the distances. What more do you want? Super awesome footage, super amazing video footage. You should definitely go ahead and buy the A229 Ultra right now. Just forget about every other dash cams. This is the dash cam of the future, and once you buy this, you won't have to look back at any other camera for at least the next 4 to 5 years. That being said, if you are interested in grabbing this camera right now, the purchase link is given right down below in the description. You will be redirected to the VIOFO India official website wherein you can purchase this dash cam along with some additional accessories such as the hardware kit, the CPL filter, the memory card. I mean, basically any accessory, you can just bundle it together and purchase it straight away. So don't miss this opportunity. Go ahead and grab the perfect dash camera right now and keep yourself and your car and your family totally safe. If you do have any doubts or queries regarding the A229 Ultra, well, I've made super detailed videos on each and every aspect of this camera. I'll give you the links for those videos in the description as well. You can take a look at those and just find out the rest of the features, the rest of the amazing features the A229 Ultra comes with. Go ahead, grab it right now. Don't waste this chance. See you in the next one.